not? Drink some more then. It's amazing.
Chick magazines smell nice.
Ew.
You dropped your napkin. Oh dear, thanks. Hey, that's mine. Early ever had. And what about you? Oh!
Whatever.
You're so cute. We're gonna be the...
Who's in there? I gotta use the bathroom. Billy, is that you? You're not drinking out of the toilet.
It smells just as bad. He bounces like...
Wandered onto the field. The field.
You stupid, oversized furball! You ruined the game! This is why I hate cats. Jerome!
What did you do that for? It might have been an escape plan from Aldo.
So one thing ducks are good for. Eating.